I've built a Windows app that runs your type beat channel on autopilot. You drop beats in a folder, it uploads them on YouTube with a video, thumbnail, title, description, tags, everything done. You can schedule a whole month of beats in just 2 minutes. Let's be honest, none of us got into producing to sit in DaVinci or Premiere at 2 AM picking thumbnails and creating videos. We got into this to cook up beats and produce music. The YouTube part is a tax and the app pays it for you. It's called Rollout. Every beat you drop in that folder gets paired with an image, then rendered into a video, and then uploaded in real time on YouTube with real titles, real description, tags, and everything. Not a template, the full upload. 2 minutes of setup equals 1 month of uploads on YouTube. No Premiere, DaVinci or Tunes to Tube, no sitting there and creating videos on a Sunday. Why I built it? Because I've been producing for 6 years, and for 6 years I've been manually uploading on YouTube. I gave up many times, I started again and gave up again because it takes way too much time. And so I've built the thing I wished existed. And before anyone says it's a scam, Rollout has been approved by Google to use YouTube API. The same API YouTube Studio uses, went through a full review and everything is legit. Right now the app is on beta. First 50 producers that sign up today get a full free trial month to try the app. That's a full month of beat uploading for free. I've received amazing feedback from the producers that already tested the app. Link on the screen and in the description. Sign up and grab a spot before the 50 spots are gone and automate your channel for this month. And drop a comment below, I read every one of them. Let me know if this is a good idea for you and if it helps your workflow. And that's the video. Bye!